Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Home Trader Club, and in this video I want to follow up on the idea we started here on the recent weekly forecast on the euro dollar. So let's begin. Before the charts, big thanks to 8K Broker for supporting our community to keep enjoying all the amazing offers we have with 8K Broker, including the access to Home Trader Club, the live trading rooms, all the trading systems, the indicators, private mentoring sessions, and more. Please refer to the link below this video in the description. So let's take a look on the news, what happened recently, and then we follow on the chart. So yesterday we started with the PPI and the core PPI in the US showing a beautiful improvement. The inflation pressure starts to slow down. And today the CPI and the core CPI in the US also, as we can see here, stand in the forecast. The annual read is actually below 3%. This is a very good read and continuously slow, but continuously showing the improvement that we have, or how the inflation pressure is actually slowing down and the improved conditions we have in the US economy. So if we take a look on the market trend snapshot, that's one of the features we have in the Home Trader Club. Take a look on the euro dollar. As you can see, the momentum here is fully bullish. 1 month above 1%, the last 7 days is next to 1%, and the 24 hours more than 0.5%. This is a very strong momentum, and on the weekly forecast we were talking about this very possible scenario that we are going to complete the break of the range and from there ride with the momentum. So this is basically happening. As we can see right now, the euro managed to place itself above the range, break and hold it. We are holding here above the strong balance zone based on the volume profile. The euro maintains the sequence of the higher highs, higher lows, no completed signs against. So from my point of view, unless there will be anything surprising happening, any pullback here in the euro dollar should continue further upside. If we go on the 4-hour chart, we can see that there is some slowdown happening on the 4-hour chart, not yet completed though. That's what makes me think after some pullbacks, which could happen and very welcome to happen, I believe the euro dollar is yet bullish and should continue higher. If we go on the weekly chart, again, you can watch of course the weekly forecast and see the full analysis. But if there will be no surprises, I do expect the euro dollar to complete this sort of a cycle eventually before any other thing starts to happen. So for me, the plan is, as explained, buy the dips unless you are already in, of course, and then ride the trend. That's the plan. Let me know, how do you see the euro dollar? What would you expect from this one? And thank you for watching, of course. And I want to invite you, if you are new to our channel, please consider to subscribe to our channel. And I want, as I said before, to invite you to our trading family, the Home Trader Club. Get your access to our comprehensive, complete trading courses, real-time trading education and trading opportunities, access to our community, and so much more. Join our family with the link below this video in the description. Thanks for watching. Best to you and yours. Good trading. Bye for now.